Welcome to my channel. I'm here with another course introduction for you. This course is suitable for those who have no prior experience with JavaScript and want to start from scratch. Ideal for those interested in programming who wish to learn the basics of JavaScript and step into the world of web development. Also suitable for people seeking to learn basic to advanced JavaScript concepts in a practical and applicable way. This course has around 146,000 students and a rating of 4.5, making it a successful and valuable one. Its current price is approximately €12. By purchasing this course, you will have full access to its contents and future updates. The total duration is about 6.5 hours, and upon completion, you will receive a certificate. You will learn getting started with JavaScript variables, values, and data types, operators and operands. Write JavaScript scripts and gain knowledge in regard to general JavaScript programming concepts. Introduction and use of JavaScript variables, JavaScript arrays, JavaScript objects. Introduction and use of conditional statements in JavaScript. Now, I want to offer you this exciting course completely free and legally. To see how it works, first subscribe to our channel and add this video to your watch list. Now open your browser and search in Google for the address, discountedcourseninja.com. From the results shown to you, click on this link. Make sure the site address matches what is shown here and you will be directed to discountedcourseninja.com. Once you click the link, you will land on the homepage of the site. Here, you can access a variety of discount coupons for courses. You can search for the desired course using the search bar. Also, in the categories section, you can browse your favorite topics. Now you can view our desired course. To get a discount coupon, scroll down and click the button. Get the coupon. The course will now be available to you for free. Please note that the coupon has a time limit. With just a few clicks, you have successfully gained free and legal access to this course. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.